What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the LuxAlgo live stream. Somebody shoot me. I'm just kidding. Not in real life. But seriously, the YouTube vertical stream is quite annoying. I had the right public stream. I had everything set up perfectly. I was like, today is going to be the day that it doesn't mess up. Of course, it messes up. But we do have the bot in the real stream now. I'm going to go ahead and make the other stream public. I'm praying that it doesn't screw everything up. But good to be back, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Jacob, have you saved enough daylight yet? Honestly, I'm still a little off schedule. But we're here. We're ready to grind. It seems to be working. I'm praying that it continues to work. And it looks like we got the live going now as well on the mobile, on the vertical side. But let's make sure. I'm going to double check real quick because this is finicky. For some reason, the stream key switched. So the biggest reason for the new shorts live, which is cool, is that yeah, cool. It goes into the shorts feed. So dialed in. Welcome back, everybody. Make sure you're in the widescreen stream if you are usually here. If not, if you're new, welcome. Really quickly, let me do full stream on YouTube channel. I'm going to just pin a message here. Pin. All right. Bet. All right, my brethren. Guess what? Solana last night absolutely ripped up to, we had a nice breakout to 55 and came back down off of that. But other than that, man, what an interesting day. We're down. First down day in a while, guys. We're down 2% today. Across the market, ES kind of flat on the day, NQ as well, a little flat. We did have a little bit of news, but tomorrow on the Brit side, we got GDP coming out 3 p.m. for us. Wait, no, 3 a.m. Sorry, that's 3 a.m. 3 a.m. for us. I was going to see if we had anything else. Got crude oil tomorrow, of course. We got retail sales on Thursday. And that's about it this week. So GDP tomorrow on the UK side, but again, that's going to affect our market as well. I mean, we're coming to slow down, guys. We're trying to come slow down. Yes. Overall, though, Bitcoin very much trying to hold 70K. We'll continue to talk about it. But welcome back. Already getting comments that Bitcoin is going to dump now. Okay. That being said, man, oh man. Remember, across both streams, guys, we do a $300 giveaway every single Friday. So long as we now hit 120 likes per stream, it'd be awesome to get it on the main stream. So make sure you check out the main stream on the YouTube channel if you're new here. Other than that, guys, remember, on Friday when we do that $300 giveaway, you do have a chance. Thanks, Brad. Brad said, congrats, Jacob, for getting it working. Okay. I appreciate that. I hope you're genuinely being serious. That being said, though, yeah, smash the like button. Ed Edwards is still on the vertical stream for some reason. Zach is too. Zach, come on, man. I saw you in the mainstream. Okay. PPI on Thursday. Did I miss that? I probably missed it. 1 sec. Nah, I said retail sales. Oh, PPI. I did miss that. You're right. I was about to say, I was like, what do you mean? There's core PPI. I bet. PPI there. But remember, guys, we talked about a little bit of retracement possible on the daily time frame. We were looking for some consolidation, right? Bitcoin has big moves, and then it finds consolidation, as you can see here. Consolidated around that 50K level before it moved out. Yo, Marlin going off today with the gold and the HODL gang and the golden LuxAlgo and the sirens. But man, let's go ahead and get cracking, guys. I'm a little flustered after the stream freaking crashed again. All right. That being said, yesterday, Bitcoin predictions, thank the good Lord that yesterday most of you put more, because it was going to be a disaster for me to hunt down all of y'all's things. But I went through all of them. Literally, I'm pretty sure like 3 or 4 did less. Like literally 3 or 4. Right now on the leaderboard, we got only a few people in the hundreds. There's only a few of you that hit less. It was only only four people did less yesterday. So thank the good Lord it was less, because it would have been a big problemo. But that being said, now, how does watch time work? Because watched yesterday whole stream. I pretty much reset everybody's watch time. Because the problem is like the watch time was only being calculated on the other vertical stream. So to make it fair, I just reset everybody's watch time. That's just for this week though. So we got it down now. We know how to get the bot over. That way to make it easier, make it fair. Okay. So luckily it's only Tuesday. Don't have to reset any other day. That being said, let's go ahead and get into Bitcoin predictions. Huge L. Bad, Jacob. Bad, Jacob, for resetting everybody's watch time. Sorry. Do you want that, or do you want one person to have another extra hour and you don't have any? I can't see what watch time you guys have. I'm sorry. But I had to reset it because of the stream issue. Huge L. Okay, cool. Appreciate that. I'm already feeling bad because the stream crashed, and now you're saying huge L to me. Dame goes in time. I'm putting Dame in timeout. Hold on. Dame gets a 1 minute timeout. 10-second timeout for Dame. Says that again, he's going for the 1 minute. We need 24 hours streaming. I can barely handle 2 hours with you guys. I'm just kidding. Maybe someday we'll do something crazy like that. I need to get my entire setup. I need to get my massive setup. Dame gets a 10-second timeout. Bot works now. It should. Dude, I swear. Did the bot jump? The bot better not have jumped. Yo. The bot might have jumped. Why does it jump over to the other stream? Yo, Brad, if it's gonna jump to the other stream. We're learning new things every day here on the LuxAlgo live stream as YouTube messes up. Yo, the bot jumped. How does that even happen? Is it because I went ahead and put? You know what it is? It's because I went ahead and put it as all right, this is what we're going to do. I'm praying this doesn't mess with it. Okay, real quick. To trigger it back, I'm going to make the main stream. Okay, we're going to figure this out, guys. We're going to figure this out. I'm going to go ahead and unlist both of these. You'll still be in here with the link you have. We're going to get this working. This is going to piss me off. I hate this. All right. But, you know, the vertical stream is like a new thing that everybody's getting into, and we're one of the first to do it. So it's a really huge push for everything. That being said, we're going to do this really fast. I'm going to unlist it. You're still going to be here. Don't stress about it. I'm unlisting both streams. Okay? I'm going to unlist both streams. So you should still be here. If not, visit the link in the, you'll see the link in the Discord. I'm unlisting both streams. You should still be here if you're still on the link. All right, both streams are unlisted. The bot should not be able to be pinged. I'm going to try it now. Should still be here. Thanks, Jacob, for recovering. Nah, you should still be here. Shouldn't work there, Brad. Let's pray it doesn't. Okay, hold on. I got to think this through. Now. Yo, bot's still... What is happening? This is going to be real annoying. It's trying to ping over there. It's still unlisted over there, though. We have to... we got to go from unlisted to public on the other one. This is going to be really annoying. Let's try this again, Brad. We're going to figure this out, guys. We're going to figure this out. Bot is here. Yeah, I see that. We're going to figure this out before we get rolling, because I want you guys to be able to put your predictions in. This is really annoying. Is it there anymore? It's still there. What? It's unlisted. How is it still there? It doesn't... It's supposed to only work on public. This is confusing. This sucks. I don't understand. Maybe if I'm going to make the other one public again, maybe it'll jump. Let's see. It jumped from the one to the other. It jumped from the main one to the other. You can see back. You can see back when we started the stream. It was working. I'm making this other one public. It better jump. I'm gonna be pissed. I made the main one public. It better jump. It better jump. I'm gonna be pissed. Brad did it over there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Jump for me. The problem is, though, I would have had to make the one before public. There's a bunch of errors. Fam's right. A bunch of errors in the chat. Wow, jump here. I don't understand. This is going to be the most annoying thing ever. It'd be the most annoying thing ever. It's not working over there either now. Both unlisted. Come on. We just gotta wait. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make both streams public, and then let's just pray it never jumps to the other one. The problem is this is gonna be the second one that gets public. Yes, it's working over there. It's working on the main one. It's working on the main one. Hold on. Guys, prepare your errors in the chat when I make the other one public. It's gonna mess it up. I just know it is. Prepare errors in the chat. It's gonna jump to the other one again. Please don't. Everybody ping it. Ping the bot. Quick. Everybody ping it. Points. Top. Discord. Please. It's not there. It's over there, though. It's pinging there. The problem is I think it's going to jump back because I just made the other one public. Yo, this is going to suck. It's going to jump back. Everybody ping the bot. Everybody ping it. Stay over there. Please don't go. Please don't move. Please don't move. This is so annoying. Bot, exclamation bot ping. It's showing up now. The problem is I just made the other stream public again. So I'm praying it doesn't go back. It's showing that it's there, but I'm praying I have a feeling it's going to go back. Everybody, be careful. Bot, don't come here. People still have watch time. I reset the watch time. It won't work until Okay, bot's still over there. You guys are trying it over there. Dude, you guys are literally the best chat ever. I appreciate y'all helping me with this. This is really annoying. We're gonna figure this out. Bot's still over there. Bot not here. Good work, Brad. Brad's the king, man. Brad is the king. Brad is the king. Dope. Okay. I think we're good. Jenny. Okay. So yes, Jenny, I have a list. Of people that it wouldn't let me add points to because the bot wasn't calculating you for the loyalty. So it will be added today. The people, actually, that's what I forgot to mention that. The people where that they said less and they weren't added were Jenny, Azu, and TOM. Tom Islav said less as well. Those 3 people will get those points added today. It's just the bot, for some reason, on Mondays when I reset, it has to calculate your chatting and watch time for you to get on the loyalty list for me to even add. I can't just add people for some silly reason. This is why I'm like honestly tempted to jump over to Twitch, but we're not gonna do that. But good work, guys. Dame said I see more, but I mean less. Yo, Dame, one more time, man. You're going into 3-minute timeout. I love you, Dame. All right, pray. I think the bot jumped. Sorted did top hour, and now Edward's doing points over there. This is gonna piss me off. No. God. Okay, now we know what to do. Bot jumped. Okay, guys, we're going to get dialed right now. We're going to get this. We're going to figure this out. We're going to get this. Okay. This is what we're going to do. I got to think this through. All right, really quickly. All right. So, I unlist both. That's what I have to do. I have to unlist both of them again. Okay, we know that we can jump it. We know the bot can jump. The stupid bot. We have a serious problem. Okay, I'm going to unlist both of them. I have to make the one stream public first. Okay, we're going to unlist both of them, and then we're going to chill here. We can, I don't know, we're just going to play around. Okay, so we're going to unlist both. Remember, I have to make I got to make the vertical stream public first. Make sure that the bot is within that vertical stream. And then I make the mainstream public second. And then make sure the bot jumps to the main stream, and then we're good, right? Dude, that's it. We got this. We got this. Come on, baby. I'm glad you guys are still here, though. Bear with me. We're figuring it out together. So tomorrow, I wonder if tomorrow we go public on both streams right away. You guys just have to make sure that you flip, you trigger the bot on the main stream, okay? Imagine if the bot jumped to Instagram, I'd punch my computer. I would literally punch my computer. I would punch it. Chin May, what's up, man? I keep forgetting we have new people on the vertical stream. They're like, what is going on? But I appreciate everybody that's usually here and working this out with me. I'm sorry the stream's being a little weird today, but you guys are literally the best. This is awesome. You're figuring this out with me, and we're moving forward. That being said, guys, you know what I thought of? You know what I thought of the other day, which would be kind of hype? If you don't stream tomorrow, we know it will be for it will be for a long time. You know what I thought would be kind of hype is what if I think that we can I think we could stream like SoundCloud music. I would just have to get something that can identify if it's copyright or not, because a lot of SoundCloud music isn't copyright. Especially the people that do like mixes and stuff, like remixes. We could probably do that. That'd be kind of sick. We get like we could play music that you guys like as long as it's not copyright. I was thinking about that earlier. Okay. Looks like the bot is not in there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and make that one public now. Please, please, please work. Gonna make the main one public. Okay. Making the shorts one public. Bear with me. Alex said tacos. Okay. Good thing I just ate, or I would be literally drooling right now. I freaking love tacos. I had Chipotle last night for the first time in like, man, my wife has a taste bud deficiency with cilantro. So like Chipotle puts everything, cilantro in everything, so we don't normally go. But I had it last night, and man, it was awesome. I forget how good Chipotle is. The UK people probably don't know what Chipotle. Well, they might. Isn't Chipotle in the UK? Or am I wrong? Brad, we gotta wait for the bot to actually go there. We need bot emoji. Yo, that's what we're gonna do while we're waiting here. Bot. What should it look like? Look at this guy. Wait. Open Discord in your browser. Hopefully I don't I got Mid-Journey. Hold on. It's hard for you guys to see this. Give me a Mid-Journey prompt. Let's do 1 second, guys. We're trying to get the bot's back over there. Okay, cool. Bot's back over there. Sign, I'm not the programmer. No, we have a team of programmers. Sorry, guys. We're trying to deal with technical difficulties here. Let's do robot that fails at being a robot. Let's see what that comes up with. But it's just AI. Okay, chill. AI does everything. Okay, I made it public over there, guys. Pray for me. I'm making the mainstream public. We're gonna go into gold and all that here in just a second. I'm waiting to see what we get on Mid-Journey here. This is a robot not being a robot. Doesn't know how to be a robot. It fails at being a robot. Let's see. This is gonna be a little weird. I can already tell this is kind of awkward. Okay, guys, get ready to ping. Get ready to ping the bot in the main chat. Yo, these are not the right. That was not the right prompt. Bot's still over there. Just give it a second. We went public on the main stream. I am actually AI. I'm the new AI. Yo, that's not right. That's like a broken robot. That doesn't look right. Okay. New prompt. Anybody got anything new? Anybody got a prompt while we wait? Yo. Clip keeps pinging the bot over there. Yo, Clip, chill. I'm putting you in timeout for about 5 minutes so I can make sure the bot jumps. RoboCop style. Let's just see what I did. Live stream bot. No way. It freaking. Small robot moving between two computers. Okay. I'm putting that in. I'm putting that one in. Hold on. Small robot moving between two computers. Let's see. Everybody ping the bot now. Praying it jumps. Jump for me. Jump for me. Jump for me. Yeah. Please, please, please. Live stream bot. Please jump. You jumped for the other stream. You better jump for this stream. Also, these are kind of cool, but they're not like weird. These are kind of cool, but they're not weird. We need some weirdies. Bot is still there. Yeah, I see that, Brad. I'm waiting for the mainstream. Please, this is gonna piss me off. Why is it when I go from one to the other, it goes back to the vertical stream? Yo, okay, these are kind of lit. Whoever said that, this one's way better. These are way better. Please, please jump. Please jump, bot. Please jump over. I opened you up first. They're the same. Remember we got it to jump over to the mainstream. We got it to jump over. Dolphin jumping between two Mario tunnels. All right, Ryan, I got you, bro. Dolphin jumping between two Mario tunnels. You like the second one? This guy? He's kind of cute. He's a little cutie. Move this over here. We're gonna get it. It's got to be able to jump over. I just know it does. It's gonna jump. It's got to. We're about to be successful at this. If for some reason it fails, dude, this can make me mad. It's like I want to do the predictions and everything for you guys. Dolphin jumping between two Mario tunnels. Why dolphin, Ryan? Why is it a dolphin? Yo, come on. Like, this bot's going to piss me off. The minute we got rid of it, remember, we got it to move. We got it to move to the mainstream, and now it's not. We got it to move to the mainstream, now it's stuck. Let me do... that's like the OG. He said this bot sounds like, feels like bonk. The chat from the vertical is showing up next to you on my what? Dude, YouTube needs to figure their ish out. Is it still working there though? Top. Yo. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Hold on, let's see. Dude, it's still over there. I'm gonna have a problem. This is gonna piss me off. Here's your dolphin jumping between two. Interesting. That is an interesting one. Dude, why? Why are you doing this to me? If I go unlisted to public again, you think it's gonna work? Think it's gonna work? It like I don't know why it does that. It's like I'm gonna do unlisted again. Last time. Make vertical private. The thing is, the bot itself only pings. It only pings to, or it only jumps to public streams. So even if I made it private, it would probably jump back. For some reason, it wants to continue to jump to that one when I flip it to public. So it's really annoying. I'm gonna try the unlisted thing again, and then we're gonna move it back. I guess we can look at, Bitcoin while we're waiting a little bit here and then go into it. But like, dude, this is annoying. Public. Ooh, I can do members only. Huddle gang only. Huddle gang squad only. Okay, I moved it back to public. Guys, pray for the bot. Pray that he moves back. Can I just type an exclamation move to other stream? Hey, thanks, Dame. I appreciate it. That helps. That does help. That's what I like to hear. That's why I am a hodl gang. Let's go. All right, that's a little aggressive. Please, bot. I'm begging you, dude. I don't... Okay, I know. Okay. I know what we're going to do. If it doesn't work this time, I got it. I'm a genius. I got it. If it doesn't work this time, I got it. I know what to do. First off, tomorrow, guys, get dialed. Hold on. Look at me. Look me in the eyes. Tomorrow, I'm going to put both streams live, okay? Please, for the love of God, do not ping the bot in the other stream. I'm praying it just jumps to the mainstream. Please don't ping the bot in the other stream. I'm praying it jumps to the mainstream. When you join tomorrow, when the second it goes live, everybody just spam a command to get that bot over there, okay? That being said, though, in just a second, this is what we're going to do. And we might have to do this, which really blows until we figure this out. But what we're going to do in a second, I'm going to unlist the vertical stream here in a sec. If it doesn't jump, I'm going to unlist the vertical stream. Then we're going to let it jump over. We're going to do our intros with predictions and all that to at least get you guys the prediction points. And then from there, we're going to then go back to public on the mainstream, on the vertical stream, and pray it doesn't jump back. But we'll at least get the predictions in. And then tomorrow, we'll lock in it perfectly, okay? That's the best thing to do here. So we're not sitting around here just doing nothing for the next whatever. But we're going to do that here in just a second. Guys, somebody ping the bot. Let's see. Please, 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 please. Should I buy Bitcoin now? Buy it every week. Top. We at least can get, yo, please, 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 please jump. Please jump, please jump, please jump. It's still on the other stream. Mother trucker. Okay. I'm unlisting. I'm unlisting the free stream. Or the free stream. The vertical stream. Somebody shoot me. Okay. Here we go. All right. Dude, this is so annoying. Let me bring the music back. All right. As the bot goes, I'm going to bring our music back one more time. That being said, pray that bot jumps over. Now, I unlisted the other stream. Guys, get ready to ping the crap out of that other bot. That being said, man, see, yeah, I need the bot to do the predictions. I need the bot to do the predictions. I probably should just we should probably just do our first set of analysis and then jump back. That's a good question. All right, yeah, start pinging the bot over there. Pray it goes back. I unlisted it over there. We're going to do, obviously, what we said. We're going to do the predictions here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and get... Hold on. I'm looking at some messages. All right. Bot's back over. Bet. Let's go. Love you, peeps. Guys, I appreciate you guys hanging out and being around. All right. That being said, here we go. It's back. Maybe if we're pinging it long enough, we can do it. All right, let's do our predictions. I'm going to do, you know what? I'm going to do what we do on, like we do the TikTok or Instagram stream and go live when we're charting. How about that? Okay. Will Bitcoin be more or less than? It just jumped on me. Here we go. We're dialed. Now, bot's in there. Pray. It doesn't go when I move it back. Okay, do you guys think Bitcoin's gonna be more or less than 69,718 by the end of the stream? Throw it in. Your prediction, you get 100 points added to your profile. And y'all know the drill. Top 10 end of the week, get an extra chance at $100. That being said as well, while you're putting those in, you know the ordeal. Let's go ahead and pop up Pepe. Everybody say, hola, Pepe. How you doing, Pepe? Whatever language you're in, wherever you're from, say it in your language. And that being said, let's get dialed with Mr. Pepe. What do you guys want to go over today? We got some moves. Bobby Gats. Never work hours. What does that mean? Oh, your hours. We're gonna make the other stream after you guys do this. Jump, please. Big D wants jump. I know he does. Y'all, do you guys choose rich every time? If you know that HODL gang in the chat, gold bars in the chat. If you choose rich every time. And you know what that means right now. It's going mega viral on Twitter. The Nick coin. The Nick coin. Let's get the other music going. So funny. So funny. Okay. Got to jump on the board. What else? Pepe. Sorry, we're not doing Pepe. Choose rich. Most of my list knows it. ARB from Tom. All right. Get out of here, Charger. ARB. ARB from Tom. What else we got? What else we got? Adam. We haven't looked at Adam. A-T-O-M. A-T-O-M. Wild. We haven't looked at Wild. W-L-D. I know that stands for WorldCoin, but I'm going with Wild, baby. ETC. What? Yo. No need to spam. Look, I'm going to spam you with these if you keep spamming the same one, and I already put it on the board. ENS from Dane. Look at ENS. What else we got, guys? Adam's already on the board, Alex. Come on. Act like you've been here before. BCH Ocean. Like, which ocean? Like the Gulf of Mexico? KDA. From Fam. Guys, give me a 4X pair. Somebody give me a 4X pair. Joe. Okay. Now we're just coming up with random stuff. What do you mean, Joe? Come on. Before that. Okay, here comes Sword. Okay, Jenny wants the pound versus the dollar. Trader Joe. Is that a coin now? Pound dollar. I like that, Jenny. We'll do that one. GBP-USD. Pound dollar locked in. NZD USD. Okay. We got the pound dollar in there. What else? Give me some more. Google for Edward. BCH. Hold on. What's Tesla doing? Might look at some Tesla. Apple. How's Apple doing today? Apple's back up again. Google, please. Google, please. Hey, Edward, come on, man. Join the HODL gang. Been in here the longest out of anybody. Gotta join the HODL gang up. All right, dude. Google's tough, man. Matic. We did Matic yesterday, Jack. Anything else? Got Bitcoin Cash. I think we did Bitcoin Cash yesterday, too. Yeah, we did Bitcoin Cash yesterday, guys. Come on. Come on. Google, please. Google. Anybody else want Google? If somebody else says they want Google, I'll do Google there, Edward, but it's like me. Nifty. Now you're just trying to get to me. Microsoft. We did Bitcoin Cash yesterday, man. I got it marked off. I promise you we did. I swear. Like, does anybody know if we did Bitcoin Cash yesterday? I swear we did. Oh, we got FET and AVAX over there on the vertical stream. Avalanche, I know we did yesterday, but dude, this thing's ripping. Avalanche. Gotta do Avalanche. This thing's ripping. It's changed. Google Mickey. Nifty. Come on, guys. Jasmy. Okay, do you want the capital version or the lowercase version? Sort of. Sushi. ADA. I think we did. Y'all always want the same stuff. Let's look here. Hold on. ADA is still off the price when we talked. Nifty. Jasmy we have not done. There's two Jasmys there. I spelled it wrong. All right, last one, guys. All right, give me a stock. Edward wants Google. Be honest. Do we all want Google for the stock? We need one stock. Are we going with Google? Microsoft. Last one, Google. Nike. Okay. I'm not going to... Okay. Fam said Google too. I was going to say first person to say Google twice. Goog's in the house. All right. It's filled. Mickey's here. Whoa. Mickey, I haven't seen... He's been lurking, man. Yup. Expectation natural gas. We can look at it. Natural gas. Looks like a solid pullback today. If this continues, we can see some nice entries. You're absolutely correct there, Big Dennis. I'm excited. Big Dennis in the house. Let's go, baby. Okay. Where the F is my... There you go. All right, guys. That being said, I'm going to give you literally... everybody here right now... Hold on. What's the 5-minute candle on Bitcoin right now? Okay. You have 1 minute and 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. And then I'm closing down... the Bitcoin predictions, and then I am making the vertical stream public, okay? And we're going to go. If the bot jumps, the bot jumps, okay? You at least got your predictions in, okay? So, you're welcome. Tomorrow we'll figure out the it over again, but we got to get this puppy rolling. We're almost an hour in already. Oh, yo, we can get the main one done. Oh, we can do this. Guys, we can do this. We can get the main, okay, we got this. We can get all the main currencies done in 20 minutes. I know we can. You got 26 seconds to put in your predictions. Then I'm making the vertical public and pray that it stays. Type an exclamation BTC more or less if you think it's going to be more or less than 69718 by the end of the stream. Right now it's sitting at more. We got more in the house. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. I went a little faster. 2, 1. I'm going to wait till it registers some of yours. There you go. BK got his. Phil. Okay. Looks like everybody's in. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. And close queue. Watch time didn't reset. I know. We're going to figure that out, I promise. Okay, that being said. Public. More than likely, I'm probably going to go with the idea of no watch time points this week because of the issue with the bot, just to make it fair. Hate to do it, but like I want to make it fair for you guys, and the bot is not calculating it unless it's in the right chat, so it's a little weird. Pray the bot stays. I just made the other stream public. Let's get this rocking and rolling. Let's get the charting. You have to understand where I'm coming from, guys. I'm sorry. If I rather it fairly calculate your watch time like it has always done than just it be more on somebody else. So we might just base it on predictions this time around, okay? So I appreciate you guys, but we might have to base it on predictions this week. But we'll see. If the bot doesn't leave here, if the bot stays, doesn't jump to the other stream, then maybe we'll have something different. But here we go. The bot's being weird. Okay, guys. Let's get rocking and rolling with Mr. Bitcoin. And we're going to go live on Instagram now. Somebody kill me. Pray that doesn't mess up. Somebody kill me, not in real life, but somewhere else. Okay, let's go. What a weird start. All right, we can get this dot in Instagram. What's up? Welcome back to the LuxAlgo live stream. My name's Jacob, as always. Full stream on YouTube. We got to make sure we hit our like goal of 120 likes today. And we will do a $300 giveaway on Friday. So make sure you dial into that. Would highly appreciate it. Also hit the sub button. But double watch time there with Tom. Yeah, guys, if you... no, never mind. But welcome back, guys. Let's get it going. Kale. We got Roth. I'm trying to mention people. We got MNT. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Come on, Spain. ES. Junior. All right, what's up, guys? Let's get going. Bitcoin has some technical difficulties today, but we're dialed in yet again. All right, let's get going. All right, so Bitcoin, remember, today, man, first day in a minute. First day since last Tuesday. Yo, what's up with Red Tuesdays? What's up with Red Tuesdays? What's going on? Why Tuesday's red? Why Tuesday's red? Remember last Tuesday was red. What's going on? 3% down today. Well, we don't really care about that because it's literally not even close to yesterday's open. So why in the world will we care? Why would we care? Hodl gang strong. Hodl gang's in the chat, boys. Hodl gang's in the chat. And the bot jumped. Somebody kill me. Okay. It's fine. We'll figure it out. That being said, maybe YouTube's going to have to figure that out. That being said, guess what? I'm really looking at 68 holds on Bitcoin right now. I want to see this hold up over 68. That'd be really nice. Holding up over 68 would be great. Let's go to the weekly, though. Weekly right now, as you know, we are trading right at last week's high. So 70,000 was roughly that same high from last week. But the 65K mark, okay, is a mark that I'm going to be keeping an eye on for a few weeks right now. So really want consolidation in the 60s if we get it. Want that consolidation to be in the 60s. That'd be really nice. So if we get that consolidation in the 60 mark, I think we could have that really big rally come the halving in April. But so throughout April, look for the 60Ks to hold up. That'd be very, very nice. Which indicator are you using to show BOS and charts, Jack? That is the price action concepts. You can check it out. Link in the description of this or on the main YouTube page. But yet again, 65K would be nice for some consolidation. Let's see if we get that weekly, though. We obviously want to see it close over 70,200. That'd be really nice. Go back to that daily chart, guys. Let's look at the screeners. Let's pull up the screeners here. Take a quick glance at what's going on in the screeners. Signals and overlays. Look, we're starting to get a different bit of a change here on the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour time frame on Bitcoin right now. Went to neutral, strong bullish across the board yesterday, remember? But bullish and then neutral. So slowly starting to switch back with a bearish day. For some reason, Tuesdays, man. For some reason, Tuesdays. Why AVAX going crazy? Because AVAX is the king. I don't know. We're going to look at that in just a second. But that being said, Bitcoin on the price action 1 hour as well, flip neutral. So we're starting to see a little bit of resistance, guys. For some reason, Tuesdays, man, like I said, Tuesdays, last Tuesday, same thing. We got a red Tuesday. We're going to change the name of Tuesdays, Red Tuesdays. Okay, not Ruby Tuesdays, but Red Tuesdays. 4 hour, 1 hour flipped here as well on the oscillator. We got strong bullish on the 1 hour, or strong bearish on the 1 hour, and then 4 hour neutral right now. So still bullish on the week, still up 2% this week. But in the current state, you know, again, yesterday's open price, guys, yesterday's open was 69032. I think we're going to be chilling with that open price sitting at 69032, okay? So really dialed in there, 69032. I'm going to keep saying it, 69032. Want to see it today at least close over that, not go retest that opening price from yesterday. If anything, today it starts aggressively selling off. We don't want to break yesterday's low, which is 67, which is kind of crazy. That's a crazy low, 67. Then it giddied up on the Monday pumps and started going. Let's jump over to ETH. Ethereum here opened up yesterday roughly 3882. Like we talked about just a second ago. We want to see this thing. I'm going to see this thing yet again today close up over that opening price from yesterday. That'd be a nice hold situation there. So let's kind of keep an eye on that opening price from yesterday. If not, so long as it's holding above, I would say honestly 3,800. I think we're going to be solid for a while. But look at the weekly here. You guys know the ordeal. We talked about it. And yet again, what did we say? What did we say? I mean, we need sirens in the chat for the open close high method, man. Open close high, open close lows, for some reason, get dialed in, they get locked, and they get rejected and respected. That's a new emote. Rejected and respected. I like that. I like that. Is anybody else rejected and respected? Is anybody else like that? Who's your daddy? What trades are you currently in? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And Avalanche and HNT and a lot. But that being said, they're 3.9, man. Dude, this is why you target those open close highs and lows, man. Right here, rejected and respected. I like that. He said, my ex rejected me, but hugely disrespected me too. Yo, everybody, props to Dennis for dealing with that, man. Edward said, who's your daddy? I don't know yet. Should we put who's your daddy in? It depends if it fully rejects. It's got to fully reject. Make a respect emote. Maybe. Price action is locked. Yeah, Jack, you can test it out 30 days risk free. Just check the link in the bio or the description of the live stream. That being said, guys, rejected and respected, but he got disrespected. Okay, that's going to stay in my head forever. Okay, insane. Don't disrespect my HODL gang members. I appreciate that. Come on, send me your number. We'll talk. We'll get we'll bring her on the live stream. Oh, that being said, guys, yet again, why open close highs? High volume levels there, right? Wicks are fun to target and all. They're fun to target, but open close highs and lows, always good spots to full on target because that's where majority of people were selling. Majority of people were just chilling up there, you know. So right now, showing that rejection right at the 4K mark, it's a psychological level too. Everybody in their mind sees 4K and they're like, hey, baby, I might cash in some right here. So then they cash in some. And then they wuss out, and then guess who comes in? Some whale comes in, buys it up at 4K, and we're going to send this thing to 4,600, all right? So right now, still bullish. Weekly chart on Ethereum right now with the strong bullish on the weekly, daily, 4-hour. We're not looking at anything past that. We got a strong bullish. We got a strong bullish on the weekly, daily, and 4-hour on the signals and overlays, which is trend following tool. But the best part is the price action, my friends. Price action on Ethereum right now is sitting bullish across the board. We got strong bullish on the weekly, strong bullish on the 4-hour, but also the daily we got bullish, and the 1-hour got bullish as well. We have 11 break of structures to the upside on Ethereum 4-hour chart. How insane is that? That's insane. 4-hour, 11 break of structures. I don't think I've ever seen 11. You guys want to count them? You guys want to count them real quick? You just want to see how insane this is? It's going to load for me? Why are you loading? Apple. Let's go back to ETH. Yo, my internet's a little slow today. You guys are taking up all my bandwidth. What's going on? Taking up all of my bandwidth. I'm at 17. Why is that happening? I want to count them. I do want to count these. Let me go to Binance. Sometimes it's just... Oh, there it is. I bet. Let's count them, guys. How many did it say? This is why you don't fight the trend, my friends. Biggest rule you can get from here, guys. Don't fight the trend. We had 11 dialed in break of structures on the upside with the strong bullish 4-hour. Let's count them down, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's crazy. That is crazy. Now, that being said, though, psychological 4K locked in. Was open, close, high period there. We're going to see a little bit of consolidation. We're thinking right now, praying this weekly candle, though, if we want to continue and hit our price target of 4,600 right now, because we just hit TP1 at 4K, then we need to see it close this week over that 4K level. That was the high from last week. That 4K level high from last week. Guys, if you're tuning into the live stream and you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacob. We have the full stream on the YouTube channel as well. If you're coming in through the vertical stream or the shorts stream, go check out the full stream on there. We give away $300 every Friday, so make sure you tune in on Friday for your chance to win 300, or actually 100. We give away $100 to 3 people. So make sure you tune in and join the live. Somebody said happy birthday on the TikTok or Instagram live. But overall, man, massive moves here on ETH. Gotta love it. 4K was just dialed. Fantastic. We've been watching this since 2,500, guys. If you don't recall, we said 2,500 was the first resistance. We got that nice little reject on the weekly. Then we called 3K, and then we called 4K, and now we're calling 4,600. So let's see. Continue that support. We're live every day at 1 Eastern, my friend. We're live every day at 1 Eastern. Going over these charts with you guys. We just went over Bitcoin. If you want to go back on the other stream, go over Bitcoin. Look at it. Go ahead, check it out. That being said, Solana, though. Solana in the house. We absolutely nailed our first price target of 37. Our next price target, guess what? We got repetitive open, close, highs, and lows. J chilling. They're J chilling at 173, okay? J chilling at 173. I'm going for 173. And yesterday, we hit a high of 155. We talked about the 150 level. Right now, overall, the oscillator lined up with a weekly chart is pretty much locked. It's locked in. This thing's ready to go. If this week can close over 137, at very least, close over 137, this thing's going to hit 173 in a few weeks, at least a week or so, maybe 1 week. Could be 1 week. That being said, the high of last week was 153. We want to really continue this strong trend. We need to see a break in closure over that high of 173.84. That'd be very, 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 very nice. Very nice. That's Solana, though. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily on Solana. There you go. Holding up over that. Guess what? Previous high. Easy support. Bounced right off it at 137. 173 is in line. But again, if we get some consolidation, let's just get it in the 140s. I'll give 130. I'll give a low of 130. But anywhere above this high right here, it needs to have consolidation. This high over here. This high is sitting at 121. Anywhere above 120 on Solana, if it's going to consolidate, man. If it's going to consolidate, we're Gucci. We're Gucci. We just need to see that consolidation. Get a little oscillator reset. You know what I'm talking about? Little oscillator reset. Get ready to pop and roll. Okay. Not pop, lock, and drop it. I'm talking pop, lock, and roll it all the way up to 173. Okay. So really focus on that. Focus on the holds over that 120. Be real nice. Can you show your PAC settings? They're on default, my friend. The only thing different is if you scroll down, I have the internal label size bigger so you can see it better. But they're all defaults. Oh yeah, and I got fair value gaps in. I got the fair value gaps lined up the imbalances there with the threshold of 0.5 to kind of get rid of some of the crazy imbalances. But that being said, Solana, man, looking very good. Kind of the leader of the night. But Avalanche, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Almost about to hit our 56 price target. If you were in the stream yesterday, we called out 56. And Hoosier Daddy's coming up on that. So be ready. Be ready when it gets hit on the board because we got Pepe waiting for us to hit that one. So we're getting dialed. This one's money. We literally called this move yesterday. Let's get it. Let's get it. That being said, let's go to the NASDAQ. Chat a little bit about the NASDAQ. NQ. Remember, guys, we got quad witching on Friday. For those of you that don't know what quad witching is, well, you need to probably look that up. Make sure you understand what it is. But if you don't fully understand, just know there will probably be some volatility. The futures contracts will start rolling a lot of volume over. They've already started rolling volume over to the next one. But you can see here March contracts still dialed, still locked in, but they're going to have to all roll over to the NQM and then M on ES and M on the CL. And actually CL I think is a little different. But on the ES and the NQ, have to move over to the June expiration contract on futures. So make sure you know quad witching Friday. Yo, come on NASDAQ. That being said, though, let's just look at the Qs. Let's take a look at the Qs. Same thing as the NQ right now. Just because the price difference is a little weird on the current leading contract. It's being calculated weird because of the quad witching. That being said, guys, again, the trend is your friend. There's no reason to dial back on this and even consider selling until we get some bearish structure, okay? If bearish structure plays in, if it starts to show, okay, I'm breaking down, breaking some higher lows, then we might consider this thing topping out. But again, here you go. Q's up today, another 1% after it dropped the past 2 days. And it's holding that previous break of structure, which is previous high of roughly the 440s. So if it's going to close up here, this thing could just set up, again, nice little reset on the daily oscillator here, ready to pop yet again, maybe to 450 on the Q's. And then obviously let's go to SPY really quickly. Similar situation. We're back up again today. So almost 1% on SPY, reverting back almost to even, this thing might even tag the high. I've got an hour 58 left. But open yesterday or open 2 days ago on a Friday was sitting at 515. And you can see it's already trading above that. So, I mean, this thing's pretty locked in for the trend. Why in the world would you short something that is strong bullish from the 1 week to the 1 hour time frame? I don't know and understand people that do that or even think it's worth shorting, but do not short if you see 1 week through 1 hour strong bullish. Absolutely insane. Freaking dialed. It's moving. It's just going to continue to move. 90% trend strength on the 4 hour. 1 day trend strength, 95% as well. 83% trend strength on the weekly. This thing is absolutely insane. All you do right now in a mega trend like this is you wait for a simple dip. You wait for a green close day like you do on SPY right here, and then you take your little long entry for those of you that are little day traders, and then you cash out on the next day because you have a high probability of it continuing the hard trend, okay? So again, you got a dip on the gap down, you close at 507, you're thinking, okay, if this trend's going to continue, I'm going to take my little overnight trade, and then I'm going to hold it until it hits a new high yet again. That's something that you can totally do in these mega trends. But again, you need to just follow the structure. Don't be buying up here at a high. Wait for it to set up. If it ends up breaking structure in your trade, then it's pretty much done. You've had a billion opportunities to do what I just said, so you can't hold that against me because I said that. And also, of course, this is not financial advice. You guys know the deal. Legally, I cannot trade live on stream. I wish I could, but I can't do it. So I love you guys, but very, very simple common sense. Don't buy when it's moving up to an all-time high. Okay. Please don't. Be smart. Buy on dips when you're in a mega trend. Let's go move over to gold. I love it. Gold coming down, representing the fact that it has topped. Which strategy are you use? Which strategy are you use? Man, I would tell you, but if you keep spamming it, I'm not going to tell you. I'm sorry. Spamming is the one thing I do not like. but I will go over a simple setup that I always look for. And we hit on Microsoft this morning. The first day trade I've taken in a very, 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 very long time. Actually, I need to talk about that. First day trade I've taken in a very long time, and I will explain my strategy using the oscillator. Oh, buddy. Most people that have been here know, but I'll show you. That being said, gold coming down. Where do we target on gold coming down? What? Gold's down, man? It's been pumping like crazy and gold is down? Absolutely. So, this is what I mean by bearish structure. Look, 4-hour change of character. Bearish structure came into play. Guess what? It ends up coming down another, 1/4% or 0.5%. Jenny, what'd you say? So when CPI comes in, higher dollar gets stronger and safe haven assets go down because Fed less likely to cut rates. Pretty much. Are you talking to somebody? Okay. I see. I see. Yeah, Jockey. Long story short, man. Long story short. Go back and check out. Go back and check out what was taking us so long. It was a weird situation. Gold, though. What do we look for next? Well, you're on the 4-hour time frame. I'm watching the previous high BOSs. Right now, I would be targeting down here in the 140s. 130s or low 140s right now. To the downside, that's what I would be targeting unless it shows me a higher low. But for now, on gold, definitely looking a little bit more bearish. If we go back here, gold, give me, I guess, I was on Owanda. Let me pull up gold on the forex.com. Dumpy. XAUUSD. Oh, there it goes. Okay, bet. So as you can see here, 1 hour, 4 hour, starting to flip. You got bearish across the board. Strong bearish on the 1 hour, bearish on the 4 hour, strong bullish on the daily and the weekly still. So trend's still intact, but look, trend strength dropping. Okay, trend strength's dropping. You got 60% on the weekly and 17% on the daily, so it is dropping quite a bit. That being said, price action still leaning bullish. Screener on the oscillator still also starting to flip a little bearish here. Pretty much what I would look for is a lower high. If I was going to trade this, I would want to see a lower high formation. Then I would target this bottom order box. I'm here at 2137, 2130s. If I pull up this, there you go. Let me go back to this. But yeah, 2130s, 2140s there. I would want to see, yet again, a lower high form and then play off of that. That being said, what do we look for the oscillator? Well, guess what? This is our normal setup. We broke that uptrend already. So I want to see us come reject that 50% level on the oscillator. Give me a bearish turning point, which is one of these gray dots on that oscillator there, and I'll dial that to the lows, okay? I'll take that short any day, okay? But the daily overall, what's going on with the daily? Daily's still a little bit intact, right? We got a previous high to talk about, which was a crazy wick day, right? But look at this. Who remembers yesterday? Who remembers yesterday? Because this was by far one of the best opportunities for potential long on a gold daily chart, waiting it out, being patient for the proper retracement, right? Gold opportunity getting locked in, ready to potentially bounce, okay? So, in this current state, you could short lower time frames, set when it gives you the setup. Don't short because you had one red day, okay? You guys know me. Don't fight the trend unless you get a proper setup against the this guy's pinging everything here. All right, bro. I'm gonna put this man in timeout. I'm sorry. 5-minute timeout. Guys, that'll treat the spammers. Why are you spamming? No reason to spam. I see your message. Chill. I'm trying to analyze here. That being said, we always talk about fib retracements and when they're good retracement opportunities, and that is when the golden pocket 50% retracement area here, golden in the 618, line up beautifully with previous highs or previous lows, depending on the trend, right? This is lined up beautifully with a previous high. Notice, if I were to drag this sucker over, right? Look at where the overall rejection happened there, and it was that last high it set, roughly. I mean, this is a crazy wick high, right? But I'm talking about one that had real price trade through it. It was right at that 50% retracement. So if this comes down and starts showing support on the 50% retracement, this oscillator is going to dial back right here. It's going to show me a turning point right here, and it's going to start rolling back up. So overall, daily trend, long-term time frame, I would look for a long position once it drops back down close to 2100. I'm looking at 2100 right now, looking for a turning point bounce off there. Maybe wick Maybe you wick to 2080, 2090, and then close back up over 2100. But that's what I would play off of right now on gold and be patient for that pullback, okay? Be patient for the pullback. Today is a pretty aggressive day. I would like to see where it closes today, but down 1.28%. We're going to keep an eye on this very, very quickly. Did I go over Solana? Yes, I did. Went over Solana. Jockey, we did. We talked about it. 174. Do you use Morales money to find coins before they pump? No, I don't. I just look for proper setups on whichever ones I'm looking at. That being said, we're a little bit past that 1 hour mark, but let me look at the euro real quick, and then we're gonna look at the gold. Euro's back up. It again hasn't moved. It hit our target there. I want to see the euro bounce over 108.8, 108.5 at least. I won't take it if it goes below 108.5. I wouldn't consider this longing anymore. But 108.5. Okay, watch for that bounce. See if it wants to bounce there. We can even see, we could probably pull a fib on this one as well right now. Yeah, that kind of lines up nicely, somewhat. Not as perfect as the gold does, but that would be a great level there, 108.5, to see if it wants to actually continue this trend. But here's the slope. Here's the slope action. That slope action would line up somewhere around 108.8, 108.7, which we talked about, which that'd be above a previous high around that change of character, which would be really nice. So we'll see that. Let's see euro on overall time frames. Bullish on singles and overlays across the board. We're bullish pretty much on the higher time frames on the price action. Neutral on the lower time frames, for meaning, you know, we're in a retracement period. And then obviously the oscillator does tend to signal a little bit early, but the weekly signaling bearish, which is interesting on the rating, bearish rating. We'll keep a close eye on it, but overall the structure's in play right now, so we're looking good. Gold Bitcoin emoji, please. Golden Bitcoin emoji. Absolutely, Marlene. I got you. We're gonna make one of those. But very much so looking good, guys. We are at 75 likes right now between the two streams. We got to get to 120 today if we want to do the $300 giveaway on Friday. So I have no doubt in my mind we're gonna hit it. But if you want to be a part of the $500 giveaway, or $300 giveaway, maybe someday we'll do 500. If we have a good week, we'll do 500. But if you want to be a part of that $300 giveaway on Friday, make sure you're subbed to the YouTube and you also are part of the YouTube stream, okay? Also, all of you that are in the main stream, you can double like. So you could go like that other stream if you want to lock in another like to get us there. But we usually hit it. So let's look over crude oil really quick. And it's boring yet again. Crude oil back down. I really wanted to see that 80 break. Didn't happen. We're going to wait for the crude oil report. There's not really much to talk about. It's not going anywhere until that. Nat gas, somebody wanted to say something? Yikes. Nat gas back down too. Look at this. I mean, this is proper structure, right? You got a previous low here, rejecting. You're still very bearish, right? Retraces. Look at them. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this. This is one thing why this is a great money flow setup here. You gotta love this, actually. Money flow. Look at how aggressive the selling was happening while the oscillator was bouncing in this move, right? Money flow was just, look at the difference in height here on this to this. Money flow is increasing. I would have waited until it would have rejected these lows or showed me in a rejection off these lows, something like this candle here, right off $2, $2 buckaroonies. And then, you know me, turning point dialed. I would have been short off that turning point today down to 170. But overall, that's great money flow reading there. You see the money flow increasing while price is trying to retrace, but it's bearish money flow coming in. Morales, that's like crypto bubbles plus, I have no idea, Tom. To be completely honest, whatever the heck Morales is, I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna blow my nose real quick. 1 second. All right, we're back. Let's go. Hiya. What's up, Alex D in both chats? Have a boo. All right, my fellow traders. All right, real quick. I'm a little pissed. Microsoft I could have hit 100% on today. First day trade in a very long time. But it had the beautiful entry that I was looking for the longest time ever. I literally think I have the 410 calls here at the previous high. I cashed out there. What a week. I'm so weak. Man, air's in the chat for me. Took about 40% though, so that's good. But what do you guys see? My ideal setup usually. So overall, oscillator lower highs, right? Lower high, lower low happened there after that move down. Lower low, comes up, breaks, on this one. It broke on that one. It popped up and created the turning point on this candle on the 15-minute. I took an entry on this guy right here at the end of close of that candle, and then traded to one right into in the money at 1,410. And man, I'm depressed. It's fine. It would have hit like a 200%, but whatever. It's okay. Made some good money on it, and we move on. But there you go. You know my setup. You like it. I'm curious what it looked like on the extended hours. Let's see extended, because extended's good too. So that actually, it would have occurred after hours there. Similar setup though. Dang. But if you would have waited till market open, it still would have worked. But that's why kind of regular hours sometimes good. I don't know. I saw it randomly. I was like, I'm gonna try it. Why not? Let's see. It probably was it could have been a fluke. Could have totally been a fluke, but it had everything reading on my setup, plus the money flow was flipped already. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna try it. 15-minute chart, whatever. I don't usually go past the 15-minute. I try not to, at least. Sometimes I'll look at the 5-minute, and then I remind myself of how bad of a day trader I was. Okay, let's move on and not talk about my issues. All right, guys, spinning wheel Pepe in the house. Everybody say what's up. Good to see you. Let me pull him up for the vertical chat. Bip. All right. Got a lot to talk about. Profit is profit. Free money. Let's go. Good job, Jacob. Good job. Good job. All right. What do we got? Pepe in the house with the first pick. What does he got? What does he got? What does he got? KDA. Honestly, I have no idea what that is. Jacob is my indicator. I love that. I try to do the best I can. Hodl Gang $1 membership to Jacob's indicator. Binance. I'm assuming this is the one he's talking about. Okay, bet. All right. KDA, first on the list from Mr. Pepe the Wheel. Pepe the Wheel, I like that. Pepe the Wheel. Guys, full stream on the YouTube, the main YouTube channel. If you're coming in through Shorts or Instagram, go check it out. You'll get the full experience. That being said, this is actually, dang, man. This actually would have been my setup too, somewhat the setup. Okay, this thing wicks like crazy. This thing has been wicking like crazy. What is it looking like on singles and overlays? Not bad. This thing's still holding up above the Neo, like that a lot. Let's go to the weekly. Sorry, weekly. Yo, well, come on, guys. You know, if you learned anything from here, you should learn where I would like to take profits if I've ever taught you anything. A beautiful take profit would have been right there at $2. And why is that? Please, somebody tell me. Weekly. Goodness gracious. That's insane. Hold on. Where are we? Yo, this one been around longer. Yo, yeah, it has. Dude, this is nuts. This thing didn't go all the way to 2. It must have just jumped on the Binance. It used to be tethered. Or it is still tethered. Bottom of the order block. Now it's funny because the tether version did not tag it. So real US currency. I'll go to KuCoin, I guess. Wait, this has average volume 30 days, 2.43 million. What does Binance have? Yo. Yeah. Oh, no. Average volume 30 day was 260K. All right, we're going back to KuCoin. You guys give me these interesting coins. All right. That being said, it did dial in and say that the bottom of the order block, but didn't hit it on tether for some reason. Makes sense, I guess, because there is a little bit of price difference. Can you explain a bearish and bullish order block? Ordo, man. You've been here a million times. You know what's up. Snowball, PAC settings is the... Because KDA is poop. Just kidding. Only we know the secret, Tom said. Gotta love it. Welcome, Tom. Appreciate you being here. So, it did on the regular USD, which is what we normally look at, but here's Tether for you. Didn't fully hit that bottom of the order block. That's what I would target, $2 roughly. Hit a high of 197. But again, guys, structure's still bullish here. It actually did have... It had our normal setup. We could have taken long at 124 there. If you've been following the way we've been going about with the oscillator. But beautiful, beautiful bounce. You know, key open close high there when it went to hit a new low, rejected yet again, comes back higher low off the previous above the previous change character when it had that move, and now breaking back out. I don't like that major wick we get on the weekly here with KDA, but let's go to the daily. Daily's looking okay though. It's still definitely in a bullish day. I would want to see some consolidation, probably above the 150s. 150 is going to be pretty much what I would want to see. If this thing can hold up over the 150s. And here we go. You know, we can't have nice things. Oh, yeah, here, this guy, somebody banned this guy. I clicked on his profile instead of actually timing him out. Mickey, time this man out. There we go. Tom Crown got him. Tom knows what's up. Tom knows what's up. Where's my boy Mickey at? I gotta get my other mod in here. But guys, 150 probably on KDA is what I would watch. But again, you have a chance for support above 140. Maybe. Yeah, okay. Still bullish structure though. Still looking pretty solid. I was gonna look at the screeners. Screeners are neutral, other than the signals never being a little weak there. But again, that weekly chart there, you can see that order block. Bottom of the order block there is $2. So I really watch for if not after that 213 open close high, lower high as well. So that's what I would really look for. Right around 213. That being said, let's move on. He's banned from mine too, so you know Tom knows who that guy is. Let's get rolling. Pepe back and forth. Pepe's in the chat, guys. You know the deal. Please don't land on the same one. Pepe, you're on it today. I like it. Pepe's on it today. Usually he hits that. Pepe's on it today. Let's go. Jup has been quite interesting. Jupiter's been popping off recently. Heck of a coin. Heck of a coin. Jup in the house. 81.50 right now. Average. Let's see. 30 days was 1.37 million on this. I'm gonna go to Bitfinex. Yep, that's not working. Didn't think so. You look at it on Pyth, even though it won't give you the or whatever you guys call it. You know, you guys didn't correct me. I've been saying that wrong this entire time, but you know what? I'm just gonna stick with my gut and call it Pyth when it's clearly not. That being said, Jupiter. I mean, very, very new, right? Still new, I think. Guys, do we have... Let me look at... Yeah, Bybit's still the same. Let's look at Binance on Tether. Got a fake dump. All right, so pretty straightforward. It's continuing to try to make these highs, right? So weekly chart, you know me. So long as we continue to close over previous week's highs, I think we make that continuation, right? This candle closed over this week's high. We had that big pump into the following week. This candle now. Oops, sorry, people on vertical. Let me take that away from you. That's what I want to see this week. So I want to see a close of this over 82.44 for that continuation. The daily chart. Nice, no one. Dude, good work, man. But daily chart here. Obviously, we have a high to still think about. Right, we got a high of 87.20. This last high was 83.80. So really looking for the continued, move in this case. It is fresh off the press. Okay, so 75. Honestly, if it can keep that held pretty well, you can already see the amount of time it was bought here off of 75 yesterday, quite a bit. So that holding up will be very nice. But again, today just close over 79.14, and I'm going to like it into tomorrow. Not a huge fan of this wick, so ideal closure today would be over 82. Ideal closure over 82 here on Jupiter, but it's still new, so we need stuff to look at. We need more info for show. We need more info. That being said, let's move on. Jupiter out. Let's go to the next one. That one is a lot easier. I can't wait to get to Avalanche, man. We're going to get dialed here. Give it to me. What's next? This is based on y'all's suggestions, by the way. So if you come earlier to the stream, you can submit your suggestions. We'll throw it on the Pepe wheel, and if we have enough time at the end of the stream, we can go over some other suggestions. But for now, next up is ARB. I know a lot of people were asking for that. ARB. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. Let's start with the weekly. Y'all know the ordeal. We've been here before. Act like you've been here before. But really quick. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to probably be the biggest volume, 30-day volume there. Kraken. Yeah. Bitfinex. Yeah, all these are bad. I'm not even going to ever click on Bitfinex ever again. All right, Coinbase. We're going to do it there. Even though we kind of have a high on the other one, we're going to do it here. All right. So, ARB, right? What did we say before? I know we've probably discussed this on the weekly chart, but again, this is pretty straightforward price action, right? So, looking for a break and support, right? Got your support there, closure up. And getting that continuation through the 2, right? $2, clear resistance right now. That being said, guys, man, these are some fresh coins. Let's go to the daily. Daily here, pretty straightforward. You guys know what I'm going to do with any type of small high range here. I'm going to keep an eye on how price acts within a volume profile. So notice here, we do have a potential. We're back at POC, so I would want to see right now, if price can continue to hold over this previous higher low it kind of set there. A lot of wicks on these daily candles, which is kind of rough. But if it does set up and continue to close and hold over at 196, probably maybe could get a push back through to 20 maybe. But the trend is going to have to stay in play. I don't overall like what's going on with the oscillator in this consolidation, but I will say you do have a nice significant higher low. So here's what could happen is you get, this consolidation, maybe go bounce off the bottom of that range yet again, and then get your breakout move. So pretty much continuing to watch this range. If you're holding long, I would just keep an eye on right now 196, 197 level. Besides that, it might retrace to 180. So keep an eye on that. If I'm personally trading this, I would have really, really wanted this breakout through this high like it tried to do. Didn't happen, and I ended up rejecting the same open close high over there at 226. So again, y'all knew me. I want to see this thing pop and go like that. So more than likely it could hit the bottom of that range. We saw the value sitting roughly around 180. So keep an eye on possibly 180. But again, this is a little sit on your hands type situation. Let me go to 4 hour here and look at it a bit. Yeah, these wicks are insane. Insane wicks. We're going to stick with our daily analysis. The 4 hours not really worth looking at. Still fresh off the press. Man, let's look at Fluky or whatever I don't even know what it's called, but Fluky I know is that everyone's saying it's taking a fat dump on SHIB right now. Let's look at WorldCoin, or what I say is Wild. Because Wild would have been a way better name. Got a lot of freshies. Got a lot of freshies today. Well, you guys know the drill. Last week closed over the previous week's high, and we got a nice continuation. We hit a high up here at 1197. You can go to Tether. Yeah. Let's go Tether. Let's do Tether. I should be probably doing Tether regardless. All right. That being said, 1197 up there. Ended up hitting that high last week, but we closed over the previous week's high, so we look for that continuation. We dive into that daily chart. Y'all know the ordeal. WorldCoin, aka what I call it Wild Coin, because it's a way cooler name, is holding nicely over that BOS. We like to say, if you're not used to proper structure, well, keep an eye on those BOSs. Okay, as you can see, open close level is happening above that, which is really good, which is 945 price point on that BOS. So if it continues to hold over this price, guess what? We're still in that bullish price action. I would want to go up and touch 1172 yet again, and then possibly make that lovely breakout into, let's say, 13, maybe 1250. 1250 would be nice. But, looking really good so long as it's up over 945. I'm not going to look bearish on this sucker until it breaks below $7. Let's be honest. Maybe the structure works out there. Sadly, the screener won't load there on that one, probably because the weekly didn't have enough data. But that being said, here you can see weekly still neutral because there's, again, not enough data. Daily strong bullish, strong bullish. Daily through the 1 hour, which is good on WorldCoin, aka Wild in my book. But 945, pretty much want to look for it. Then you're going to target 1173. So as long as it holds over 945, you're looking really good. We're probably going to have some extra time today, guys, and we're getting a lot of fresh coins here. Got a lot of fresh new coins here. Probably going to have some extra time to continue. So once you want to look at, not much we can talk about with the new ones. What we got? Yo, Pepe is on it today. Dude, everybody, round of applause for Pepe. Pepe's nailing them. Usually he hits blanks, but he is on it today. He understood his timeout yesterday. ENS, man. Let's finally look at something with some history. ENS, baby. Props to flippin' Pepe. All right. I'm a beginner, and I would like to learn to day trade. Where do I start? Billy's asking, can I do... Okay, we can look at that meme coin maybe after we go over everything on the Pepe board first. Really quick, I'm going to answer Billy's question. He said, I'm a beginner and I would like to learn to day trade. Where do I start? Well, Billy, one thing I want to tell you is there's a little known fact that roughly 90% of day traders fail. So I will say, though, that you could have what it takes to be that 10%. I personally am not that 10%. I'm not one of those ballers that can say that I'm a 10% day trader out there. But that being said, you could have what it takes. And I would suggest taking about a year, okay, taking a year to figure out if you can do it. If you can, then, you know that you got what it takes. But I would start off with a little bit of paper trading for about a month. I would paper trade for only about a month, then make your way into possibly a prop firm. Just search up prop firm if you don't know what that is. That can add a little risk to your deal. Unless you have capital to work with. If you don't, then yeah, try the prop firm out. But if you do have your own capital, probably I would suggest that more than anything. Anybody that's in a prop firm, I would highly suggest getting out of it as soon as you can when you have enough capital to go and do it on your own, because it's going to be way better for you in the long run. But overall, if you're still fighting the day trading spirit and you haven't figured it out, then it's been over a year, you probably want to start looking at other ways to go about trading. For me, it was swing trading overnights and shorter term swings and long term swings. And once I figured that out, it was game changing. So that's the big thing, is understanding what type of trader you are. Your personality in trading is really going to affect how you become in this trading world. Otherwise, you're just going to be blowing through money if you don't figure that out. Okay, so that's why I would suggest take 1 year, try it. If it doesn't work for you, start looking at other avenues in the trading world, like swing trading or long term, and trust me, it's going to be a lot better. All right, ENS guys, good info about prop firms. Get out once you can. Absolutely. Yeah, Dennis knows Dennis knows what's up. He's similar to me. All right, guys. Guess what? Well, I think you all know the ordeal. Hold on. I think you all know the ordeal here.
Who's your daddy?
I mean, we pretty much discuss this literally every day, about 40 times over. If you're ever in trades and you see major order blocks like this that pop up on like a weekly or a daily, always use the bottom order blocks and the high order blocks as good targets. That being said, this high here, 2768, happened last week. Pretty much this happened, on Tuesday? Yeah. Nailed that to a T. I would have, more than likely, if I was in a trade. I mean, we finally got this big pump on ENS, which is great. But if I, was in a trade, I would have targeted the top of the order block. So who's your daddy for that? Because that's what we talk about all the time. 2774, 2750, roughly. Major pump there. That being said, though, look at the weekly here. I'm going to put a nice little juicy line right here, little ray there, above that previous open close high here on the weekly. If price is going to hold over that 2380 this week, I'm extremely bullish into the next coming weeks. The other nice thing is the oscillator is also does flip and stay strong and get some consolidation. Then you're looking really solid, possibly for a move into, let's say 30s, 35 plus. Target after that, I'm going to say is 40. I'm going to go ahead and put a line there. We got open, close, lows there. Clearly a support level that previously was in play. That's where I'm going to put my target there, be for 40. If we can get a break and close above that 285, which is kind of what I would want this week. If we can get a close on ENS over 285, or sorry, 28, whatever this high is. 27.68. So we're gonna open. If we're gonna close your candle over 27.68, yeah, then we're looking, I think, really good for the 40s. So keep an eye on that. Here's your daily chart. Daily chart, pretty straightforward. Guess what? We have some highs to talk about here. This is where I would want to see this thing hold up, right? This is a TradingView, and it's the LuxAlgo Premium Suite on TradingView. You can try it out 30 days risk free. Just check out our channel or the bio, if you can, of any of the videos or live streams. That being said, guys, right here, we have a 24. We could just honestly talk about 24. I would say 24 is a good price target to really keep an eye on. Watch for a candle close over 24 here. Watch for some closures over 24 today. It'd be really nice. I would want to see continuous support. Obviously, we have an imbalance sitting here. We have a fair value gap, as the kids call it, but nice little buy imbalance there. You can see it's already being filled. Some of those orders that were left over from last Tuesday, right? Crazy volatility last Tuesday. But nice little bounces already. Let's see if this thing can close up and continue to hold over 24. If it's going to continue to hold over 24, 23, 8 level, then I like this for continuation. Remember that weekly chart. We really want to see it close up over that 27, whatever price, 27.57, whatever I said earlier. Go back and look at it if you need to. But really looking for that, okay? So let's keep a close eye on that break and move and go from there. But ENS, lovely one, man. This one's looking good. It could make this breakout move. 40, though. 40 price target up there. Maybe 41, but I would just go for 40 for now. Even and out, make it easy would be that upside price target if it continues to make that move. ENS off the board. Let's move to the next one. Pepe in the house. Higher time frame represents better the trend. Yeah, absolutely. I have some long-term positions on Ether. What do you think Denick will have as an impact? Right now, I know, yeah, that is coming closer. I think before the halving. So I would, I would suggest just holding for now. There is going to be quite a pump this year. We're really thinking we're going to easily hit 100K on Bitcoin. So Ethereum should, at least at a delayed state, follow as close as it can. Okay. We already went over ARB there. Haken, go back in the stream. All right, my friends. Next up, what's going on next? Well, we might have time today to continue. Keep going. All right, well, big error. Come on, man. Act like you've been on stream before, Pepe. You know what's up. Act like you've been on stream before. Adam. 2 days? Yeah. Okay. See, I mean, I'm guys, if you don't understand who I am as a trader, then you know I don't know that. So thanks for updating me. Adam. I know it was soon. I know it was before the halving, and give me a break, okay? Halving's in April 19th, pretty much. All right, so it's not that far. We're almost less than a month from the halving. Pepe too good, yeah, man. He freaking nailed that. Great job, Pepe. Okay. Then guess what? We'll be watching it tomorrow. I wouldn't be too skeptical. I can double check the research on it and see what it's all about, but I don't know. I'd be okay. Adam, man, what a move. Continuation yesterday, bullish move. Guys. How many times do we have to show order block rejections for you to understand? Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, I've read something a while back on that, and I talked to what's his name a little bit on it, but I just look at the charts with you guys every day. That's pretty much all we do. Okay, we go with what the price action tells us. Okay, we follow the indicators. We know, and then we follow the core U.S. news events. That being said, though, Adam here, $14. Beautiful rejection off that order box. Go to the weekly. I would want to see this thing break and hold above the top of that order block, which is sitting at 1353. Okay, 1353. If If we can get that closure this week, would be really, really good. Now, obviously, we're still sitting over the closure from last week. Still sitting at that above that closure price, which was 13.18. So I would want to see this thing close up over 13.53 this week. That'd be really nice. Turn this big ass block into a breaker. Cool, Tom. I do appreciate you guys letting me know about that. We can take it. We can take continuous. I'll look more into it tomorrow when it happens, and we can talk about it on stream for sure. Either way, though, Adam, as we're talking about it, yet again 13.53. Let's see if he can close over that this week. Right now, I mean 14.78 would be that target for me. That's where I would be targeting, until we get a breakout through. Obviously, 16, 17 rough area. We can look at BNB as well here in a little bit if we have time. That being said, though, so long as price is going to continue to trade above $12 on Atom, still bullish. If we look into the screeners here, we can see we're neutral on the weekly. On the daily, we're strong bullish. On the 4-hour, we're strong bullish, which is a good sign. Bearish on the 1 hour. Bearish on the 1 hour, I mean, a nice little retracement it had on the daily, so I think we're set. I don't think the 1 hour I have to be too worried about. Almost 70% trend strength on the 4 hour, which is good. Overall, bullish on the price action. Pretty much what I read. And then screener's a little bearish. But I would like to see what it wants to do here soon. Still bullish, though, over $12 because that's the previous high, right? As long as we get that support over that previous high, I think we're looking really good for a lovely breakout through 15 at some point. So let's keep an eye on it. But again, that weekly time frame, really want to see that closure this week over 13.53 to give us a nice breaker to continue to watch this thing. So Adam right now upside target would be 14.80 for the time being. After that, I want to see a full breakout through this resistance. Okay, pretty straightforward on that one. Let's move forward and continue. Pepe is on it a bit today. Guy's been popping off. Waiting for that Avalanche, man. And I'm praying it hit something. All right, Pepe, chill. Chill, Pepe. Wait, no. That was a bad spin. Let me give him a second chance. It was a bad spin. There we go. This one should hit. This should hit. All right, boy. Come on. Stop. I'm going to give you one more chance, dude. I swear. I'll give you one more chance. We've tried this a billion times. I'll give you one more chance. This is it. It's not going to hit. Dude, okay. Just add Doug to the wheel. Dude, okay. He needs some motivation, guys. Pepe's in the chat. He needs some motivation. Come on. One more time. It's your last time, and then you're going to timeout. You know the deal, man. We went through this yesterday. All right. This guy's done. This guy's beyond done. I'm trying, Pepe, and you just ruined it. Yeah, dude, you're literally gonna be stuck down there the rest of the stream. I don't care. All right, I'm picking Jasmy because everybody was asking for it. Add Sweatcoin to the wheel just so I can hear your opinion on the project. All right, Jasmy in the house, man. You all want it. I know you do. Yo, that is the biggest weekly order block I've ever seen in my life. Wow. Insane. Jasmy coin. Jazz on me coin. All right, pretty straightforward. I think we've discussed this plenty of times before, but over 1.8 there. Would really want to look at continuous hold. Dude, why don't you guys tell me to do tether? I need to do tether more often. But yeah, 188 there. Looking for that continuation hold over that price. You got the BOS structure, guys. Pretty straightforward here. But let's see. Upside target. I mean, is this grade school or do I have to teach it over and over again?
Who's your daddy?
Yo, Jasmy, seriously.
Who's your daddy?
I mean, you guys, I literally, I can't stress this enough of why I aim for this. Now, this could be a fluke because, like, it's just because when I do it, it decides to take and reject these. It's high school. But we have literally discussed this a trillion times. Open, close, lower, high there with a nice retracement. Open there, close there, open there on the weekly. These are the weekly time frames. 24988, guys. Look at this. I can't, like, always look at those levels. Target those levels because there you go. Great reasoning behind targeting those levels. Right now, if you were to trade, for some reason you didn't take off there, you're down 16% from a profit you could have had if you just targeted the open close high. Look at this. Almost beautifully hit the open close high to a T. It hit 25 easily. Now, rejected it again there. I mean, it's the biggest reason there. It's so easy there to do that. Open close high up here, though, 36676. This is a weekly chart, so we got time. Let me pull up price action, though. That's like dead center of the order block, but again, that's what I would target next. Go to the daily. Daily again, yeah, just holding over 188 would be solid here. That's what I want to see. But if it does break, below 1.5, so that 15, 1.5, I would want to look bearish on this thing. But for now, again, can't get better than that on targeting. Okay. That being said, right now, guys, we're sitting at 102 likes. Okay, we need 18 more likes. And we'll do a $300 giveaway on Friday. So make sure you tune into the one of the YouTube streams and you hit that like button. We very much appreciate it. Jasmy, hold up over 180. We like the continuation. You could even see a wick down or a bounce off 165 if you want to continue it. Upside target 36676. Why? Because of the open close highs there. Open close low, high right there. Open close lower high in a sense there. Rejected it beautifully, as you can see here. So this is exactly why we're always targeting those, because they tend to have pretty clean rejection or support. So really always watch those levels. Great levels to watch and target for price closures. That being said, let's move on to the next one. Here goes Pepe on the floor being abused. No, he's not being abused. I think it's time to go over now. Maybe we save Avalanche for last. Avalanche deserves some Who's Your Daddies. Pepe is in timeout. For those of you that know, we're gonna go. There you go. San said that he wanted the pound versus the dollar as well, and that's what we're gonna do. This looks really good. This looks really good. All right. Real quick, screeners. Weekly, daily, both strong, bullish. Trend strength isn't there yet, so it could be changing to that strong trend. The 4 hour sitting neutral. The 1 hour is a little bearish. Weekly, daily, 4 hour on the price action concepts, all bullish. Oscillator sitting a little bearish there. And here we go. But overall, guys, this is looking really good. Lovely breakout. Lovely breakout. Didn't know you was into Forex. We look at everything, my friend. Anything that has price action to analyze, we look at it. All right? We will look at it. Let me put this guy in timeout for 5 minutes and see if he comes back. All right. Pretty straightforward, though, right? Here we go. BOS locked in. I would want to see this thing hold up over 127.5. 127.5 would be great. Guys, you know the deal. 130 is upside target. Open, close, high up there. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I bet you this is a pretty clean bounce. Yep. This bounced right off the 382, top of the golden pocket. Massive bounce. Clean support. Turning point in extended. AVAX on fire to hit. We're about to go over Avalanche, man. We're gonna Who's Your Daddy it up like crazy. So get ready. Get ready for the final countdown. And you know what? Wait, where is it right now? I need to look at this. Oh, yo. Oh. Hold on. Oh, we're about to go wild. All right, that being said, let's go back. Oh, Wanda. So today, yeah, we're gonna get a little rowdy on that one. Today, daily, I would want to see this thing close, you know, just show me some support up here above 127. Just 127 in general would be nice. That's where that change of character is sitting. So if it wants, as long as it closes back like this, be good, right? Upside target still 130, like we said. We got that weekly open close high there, roughly 130.09, almost 131. But I would just target 130, make it easy. 130 is a good one there. Bounce off of that right now. Definitely bullish price action. Love the turning point. What do you guys see here? Look at this. This is a pretty large, but you can still see it on the oscillator. You can see a inverse head and shoulders type of formation here, right? So here's your head, here's a shoulder, right? It's similar. It can still happen on an oscillator. So that pretty much lined up beautifully there, and you already got the breakout, so would have been today. So it'd be interesting to see. The 130 would be my upside target on this. But if it does break below 125, then I would look short again, targeting the lows, or targeting the open close low down there, 121. So watch for the 125 breakdown if it does. But again, structure broke to the upside here. I think we're looking really good for 130. Better probability to 130 in this case, okay? Let's see. Where are we at on the like front? 114, guys. We're 6 likes away to doing the $300 giveaway on Friday, so let's keep it going. That being said, last but not least, before Avalanche, we got to go over Google, and then we're about to go ham on Avalanche because we're excited. Dame. Give Dame the errors for days. Errors for days. We literally we gave you the price target yesterday on Avalanche. Didn't hold, man. Come on, man. All right. Google. L's in the chat for Dame for not holding Avalanche. Okay. Google, guess what? Weekly, daily, or weekly and 1 hour. Only strong bullish there. Daily is bearish. 4 hours neutral. Strong bullish on weekly, daily, 4 hour for price action, which is good. 4 hour, 1 hour on the screener and the oscillator screener is bullish, which is actually kind of good because if you go to those lower time frames, those are the things that are going to set up those reversals first. But it's quite interesting to talk about because even though the daily's in this mega downtrend, it did bounce off a daily order block, right? So honestly, at this current spot for Google, he said, how is it to the like? You'd be surprised, Big Dennis. That being said, guys, for Google right now, if this thing's going to reject below 140, I'd still be bearish on it. But that being said, what I would want to see is, you know, we had a lovely bounce on the daily there, which is good. We have a little bit of rejection to play here and watch here on the 140s. Now, we talked about, I'm pretty sure we did talk about Google last week. If it does bounce, we want to see it break back over 140. I want to see this in the 140, show me some consolidation. But this is where the oscillator comes in and why it's important, right? So the oscillator, as you can see here on Google, we're in a mega downtrend right now on the daily. We have lower highs and lower lows being formed, lower high, lower low, right, coming back up. Now, if the oscillator does break this, lower high does this here, price should settle off in the 40s, and then we'll go up target high 40s, 146, 148. So there is potential of this thing creating that reversal. It's still stuck in the downtrend, as you can see here on the daily. But if it does get up in the 140s, we see the oscillator break, which is trying to break right now, trying to break that structure, which is good. It clearly has the support level right below 50. As you can see, it turn there, turn there, turn there, turn there. So if it does break up above 50, finds a turning point off of 50, that's when I would look for my trade into the 147, 148. So it's looking solid. Let's just get into the 140s first before we consider any longing opportunity here on Google, okay? That being said, it's time. It is time. We gotta change it to some bumping music. Hold on. I know one song I can play. I pray I don't get an ad on Pray I don't get an ad. Here we go. Go Inferno. Go, 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 go.
Who's your daddy?
Avalanche, baby. Avalanche. I can't. Avalanche. All right, we're getting bumping. So hopefully this isn't copyright because it technically is a remix, right? When this hit, this price target is just right when the beat dropped. Absolutely drilled that price target with the high volume open, close, low on Avalanche that happened back in October of 21. Guys, you can't get any flipping better than that, my friends. We absolutely drilled this price target yesterday on the daily time frame. Yesterday, we were sitting at 49. We said 50 with this daily open close high sitting right there at 48. Absolutely drilled it. We said, guess what? If the daily candle closes again over the previous day's high, which was sitting at 43.99, we were like, this is pretty much going to close over that because it hit our price target before. This thing closed at a mega body candle and absolutely ripped. We put down 56 about 12 times yesterday saying, watch 56 for our next price target. It hit it the exact day after. Exact day after. If you did not hold this Dame, errors for Dame in the chat. But again, good hold Dame if you ended up going for the 48. That was price target 1. But man, we nailed the 56, and that's why you tune in every day on the LuxAlgo live stream, guys. One more time. Absolutely flipping drilled. Drilled it, man. That's insane. You can't get any better than that. Hit it to a T. It's sitting right exactly where we had it, guys. Right exactly where we had it. Next price target right now would be 65. Next price target right now would be 65. Can't get any better than that. But, guys, let's flip and go. I'm hype. I'm so hype. I'm so hype. Pepe, you proud of me, buddy? Pepe, you proud of me? He's kind of depressed down there. He's a little depressed. That's okay. I had to put him in timeout. Good shit, guys. Good flipping shit. This is just, can't get any better than that. Exactly why you tune into the live stream every day. But, I mean, man, 56. Next up, 64.72. If that hits tomorrow, we might honestly, I keep reading I had this in there. If that hits tomorrow, guys, we might go crazy. I don't know what to do. We might go crazy. If that hits tomorrow on Avalanche, hold on. Now people are joining on the thing. Guys, yesterday, if you were in the live stream, especially on here, if you're in this live stream, we had a price target dialed in yesterday on Avalanche, sitting at 56. Yo, Lucifer. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Welcome. Of course, the short stream pops off the minute we just did that. But, yeah. It just 56 dialed in on Avalanche. We had that target yesterday. Beautifully triggered today. Absolutely hammered it. So, I mean, there you go. Gunshots. In game. In the Forex game. Gunshots. That being said, though. Next up, guys. Easy as it gets. Why do we target open close lows and open close lows and open close highs? Why? It's because that's pretty much where clean resistance can form. Absolutely beautiful price targets to always go for, especially on these currencies. We literally targeted 56 yesterday, and look where it's sitting right now at 56. So guess what? We draw another line, and we say we're going to target 64. Hopefully tomorrow we get 64 on Avalanche. Guess what we did the day before? We talked about this all last week. We said 48. It hit 48 yesterday. We said, guess what? If this closes up at a strong body above that 48 price target, like we said, right at 50, tomorrow or later this week, we could see 56. It just so happened to be tomorrow. Let's go. Absolutely drilled that price target. Congrats if you held that. Beautiful moves. We printing over here. Guys, that's the last thing that we analyzed right now. We got 64 in line for that next move. If you want something specific to go over right now, throw it in the chat. We'll go over it. Let me check our time. We have about 7 minutes left, okay? 7 minutes left on the stream, guys. If you want to go over anything specific, throw it in the chat, and we'll look at it right now. LTC from Nevlin. Who has not hit the like? Brad. Likes right now. Let's look. I think we're close. I think we got it, guys. I haven't checked. What are they at? 85. Wait, yeah. We hit it. Congrats, guys. We hit the 120. 120 likes have been hit. That means, guess what? This Friday, we're doing a $300 giveaway on the stream. So if you make sure you tune in, though, we have tomorrow and Thursday to hit another 120 likes, and we'll do the $300 giveaway on stream. Make sure you tune back in on Friday. Hit subscribe as well, because you have to be subscribed to be a winner. But you got to be here on Friday to be able to enter that. LTC. Oh, my gosh. LTC. I mean... Dude, we went over LTC yesterday. We literally went over LTC yesterday. What did we say? This is insane. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour, actually. Where were we yesterday on LTC? This is Monday. Okay, so we were kind of dialed in on this already. Yeah, I was already up there. All right, so yet again, guys, this is why you target order blocks. I can't get any better than that. This is why you target order blocks, all right? The daily time frame literally hit 99 there, the bottom of the order block, hit the top of 104 and rejected. What do we always say? Target the top of the order block after you target the bottom. Now, sometimes if they're this close, this is a pretty tight order block, I would say either, target probably the top in this case if you haven't taken profits. But this ended up being a BOS with a breakout move. Look at the money flow. The money flow is beyond what it's been in the past. This thing is absolutely ripping. Very strong bullish money flow coming in on this. Bounces beautifully off a previous high here at 78, right? Bounces off 78, drills that upper order block. That's a 23% order block. That's 1.9 million there, up there. So that's exactly what you go for on that target. On the weekly, though, I'm targeting now the top of this order block, but honestly, I would target the open close high at 113 on the weekly for Litecoin. But again, look at why this is another great example of why open, close, lows, and highs are honestly key for beautiful targets. Because if I were to take off this open, close, low right here, if I were to have that drilled right there, look at what happened before. Price literally off of this open, close, low after it had a clear bounce off that. When it fell back through, it came back, retested it, and then immediately rejected it. Now we're back at it, and we're rejecting it again. So again, that $100 price range, $100 price point, huge psychological level, makes a lot of sense. But again, on that daily, you could have targeted the top of that order block as well at 104 and been just fine. This is TradingView. He said check monthly and zoom out. 400 downtrend breakout. Man goes even further out than I do. Dude, 108 there, open close high right there. This thing's just stuck at the lows here. Yeah, honestly, I would say you're gonna probably run into some problems at 120. You're gonna run into some problems at 120 right now. I would target 108 would be that target, and then 120 would be a problem. But looks okay. Oscillator trying to reset, right? Got a higher low here, with it kind of finding that support around the 60s. But volume finally came in here on LTC, so liking that. The past 3 weeks, seen some good volume on this with the rest of the market pumping. But again, we want to see if we want to get a really nice move. I do think in the 20s we're going to see some problems. So let's see if we can get to those 20s first. Because it's massive. That being said, though, what else do you guys want to look at? Money in the Bank. Myro. We can look at... I mean, we were looking at Bitcoin earlier. Yo, Bitcoin's going to be more today. Bitcoin's going to hit more. It's definitely hitting more. Those of you put more, dude, congrats. This thing is ripping. It's back up. Gotta love it. What a day. Well, this is a beautiful daily. We don't remember, Red Tuesdays ain't happening no more, baby. Come on. Let's hit a new high today. Come on. Let's hit a new high today. Let's hit a new high today. Be nice. Guys, we got about 2 minutes left. Bitcoin Cash, we were looking over that earlier. If you want to look at it again, we can. But we were looking at earlier. That was on the board. I mean, hit our price target of 474 like we discussed. Oh, yeah. I mean, why? Jacob, why would you target that? I mean, that's money. Beautiful 474. But that being said, 500 was actually our overall target. I remember talking about that. But again, 600 could be up there if it's going to hold up on this weekly. But it's looking really nice. 400's showing that support there. I would want to get back over that level there. Gives me 500 support. I mean, you got 500 resistance right now. I would want to break through that first. 2 minutes, more like 27 minutes, Edward said. It's not over yet. Money. Pharaoh, we're using the price action concepts and oscillator matrix indicator. You can try them out risk-free for 30 days right now, actually. If you go on the website, LuxAlgo.com. TSM, Zane wanted. Oh, you want this stock. I'm about to say that's not right. Yo, this thing broke out. Nice. Last week. I would continue to look for it to hold up over the 140s right now. 140s right now. Watch this week. Closure over 140s be nice. How's ETH doing? ETH back up? ETH looks like it's trying to be back up. It's having a clean resistance off of our level there, right below 4K. We, psychological on top of open close highs. Looking juiced. You wanted Pyth over there? What do you guys call it? I need to look up the pronunciation again on this. But I call it Pyth, so I guess I can just stick with what I want to call it. Let's look at it on its network. You guys know the drill here. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, man. You're in bullish price action right now. So long as the price continues to break out of those previous highs and hold support, right now I just would want to see this thing continue to hold over 80, right? If this is going to hold over that high, you're going to look pretty solid. Watch for the daily closures. I don't like this wick before. I'd want to see if that daily closes over or at least closer to yesterday's high of 90 to continue that strength. But turning point nicely on the oscillator down here when it broke out. So oscillator's still sitting kind of good. So let's keep going. Yo, Potato Whip said Joe. Someone said Joe earlier too. Someone said Joe earlier. All right, we're at the 2-hour mark. Remember, earlier in the stream, we asked, what do you think? We asked your Bitcoin prediction. If you think it'd be more or less than 69718, we pretty much cash in on the over. Great job, guys. Congrats to everybody that said more on the Bitcoin predictions today. Congratulations. You get 100 points added to your profile. If you're a top 10 viewer by the end of the week, by doing the predictions, by chatting, by watching, then you have a chance at $100 on Monday. But that being said, we also do a $300 giveaway on Fridays. And you can get 2 extra entries to that $300 giveaway every Friday. So he said, I want to thank you for struggling. You can get 2 extra entries if you join the HODL Gang. Just hit the join button on YouTube there on the YouTube channel, or just next to the LuxAlgo name, and you can join the HODL Gang for $1. If I could make it free, I would, but it does give you 2 extra entries. Last week, we did actually have a HODL Gang member win, so let's go. We had somebody win last week. Easy money on Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's ripping. This week, we're probably not doing watch time hours, by the way, guys, just because the bot's being weird with the vertical stream. But overall, great work. Let's go to the end screen. It's a good spot. That's a good spot, I think. Freaking nailed, guys. We nailed Avalanche to a T. We absolutely drilled it. What's your price target for this Bitcoin bull run? Man, this year I think we're gonna hit 100K, easy peasy. So get ready for that. But by the end of 2025, there's a possibility that we're above 200K. There's a possibility. Dane, minus 500 points for watch time. I said lower to hedge my long. Oh. Jenny, come out. I think Jenny, let me double check. Let me make sure real quick as we go to the end here. Like always, we appreciate all of our HODL Gang members. If you're not part of the HODL Gang, make sure you hit that join button next to the LuxAlgo name. Jenny, yes, I'm gonna add 100 points to your profile right now because you had it right yesterday. There's a few others I need to add real quick. 200K is a possibility. Azu as well. I'm praying you're in here. You're not yet. I don't know why. Tom is live. He's not in here either. All right. Well, when they get back, we'll add him. But Jenny, I just added the 100 points to your profile. But that being said, if you said more, you get 100 points as well today added to your profile. End of the week, being the top 10 member, you get extra chance at $100. Venus XVS, can it hit 100 again? It depends on where it's at right now. At $15, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't be too drilled on $100 just yet. We need to get through the 30s first. I would target 30 first. What's the next target of ETH by next week? The guy said. Honestly, right now it depends on how these weekly candle closes. Right now we're targeting 4,600. So tomorrow's that update or whatever. So we'll talk about that tomorrow once I do a little bit more research. You guys kind of probably laughed at me today because I didn't know what day was coming. I knew it was coming before the halving, so give me that. Give me that. 3,500 next week, Jenny. That's what I like to hear. 3,500 next week. Let's do it. Let's do it. Price target's in line. Price target for 3,600 is in line. I should probably put a line up there. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you keeping tuned in, especially with the problems we were having earlier today. I really appreciate that. I know my day ones. I know my loyalty members sticking around, hanging out. I really appreciate that. But besides, oh, we didn't even look at XRP today because I think it went. I didn't think it continued. I didn't. So I'm glad it didn't. Otherwise, we could have looked at it. But that being said, yeah. Whew. Hopefully tomorrow we can figure that out. Tomorrow, I'm going to start the streams at the same time, okay? I'm starting the streams at the same time tomorrow, and I want you guys to help me out and ping the bot the second the streams start in the main thing, all right? Praying it works tomorrow. Pray it works. But if you're new to the channel, we go live every day at 1 Eastern. Sagger, hit that sub button. On Fridays, we do giveaways. We do $300 giveaways on Friday. So long as we can hit 120 likes per stream throughout the week. We're on roll right now. Tomorrow, we got to hit 120 again. But, yeah, hit the sub button. Join the main stream. It's also on the YouTube channel. You'll see the widescreen version. Tomorrow, we start 2 hours earlier for testing. Maybe. Man wants a 2 hour earlier stream. But seriously, it is daylight savings, so we are probably starting an hour earlier than normal. It's some stupid thing we go with over here in the U.S. I know we've had talk about getting rid of it, which we did. But that being said, hour earlier for some of you, same time for a lot of you. But guys, join the Discord. It's absolutely free. Type !Discord or just go to Google search LuxAlgo Discord. Pretty lit Discord. There's a lot of people in there, but it's very well managed. So not any spam at all. We just hang out, have a good time. A lot of people trading. You get to learn a lot about the indicators. Plus, there's another live stream we do there every morning with Mickey. So you can go and check that out. I would very much appreciate it. Besides that, let me get our other music in here. There we go. Besides that, dude, Jay, this channel is turning into a cult following. Let's go. We're gonna do a gaming stream soon with my day ones. We're gonna do a gaming stream soon with my day ones because you guys deserve some extra entertainment. But we'll do that, on the Jacob times Pepe channel. Me and Pepe will go about some games together. We'll see how that actually goes. That's gonna be interesting. Besides that, though, what else I mentioned? Oh yeah, follow the Twitter. Follow the Twitter at LuxAlgo. We do analysis there all day long on everything you can imagine. But guys, April 19th, halving coming in line. We're looking for that big pump after the halving. Tomorrow, ETH update. We'll talk about that. But guys, have a good rest of your day. I love you all. Pepe's in the chat. Huddle Gang members in the chat. Huddle Gang emotes. What else we got? Errors, gold bars, bullish signals. Who's your daddies? You guys know the drill. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 1 Eastern. Pray we can get it working. Pray we can get it working by tomorrow. We have hopefully not another failed stream or another failed bot issue. Overall, guys, love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?